Hello friends, let's jump into calendar. The month is November. Yesterday was November 11th. If yesterday was November 11th, then today is November 12th. I know that November is the 11th month, November 12th, 2020. November 12th, 2020. Alright, I know that today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday, and tomorrow's Miss Lawler's favorite day, Friday. Yesterday we had been at school 37 days. If we're at 37 and I add one more, what are we at? 3 10s and 8 1s, which makes 38. Alright, let's see, 25. 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 days of school and 38 cents. Know these words? New, way, good, a, day, may. Hey, day, may, rhyme. That's kind of fun for today. Alright, 119, 100, plus, oh, that's not a plus, plus 10, plus 9 equals 119, and I'm going to put it right here. 119, what's going to come after 119? 120, 121, 22. All right, now we got to go backwards. 122, 121, 120, 119, 118, 117. All right, 74. One less would be 73. One more would be 75. 10 less would be 64, and 10 more, 64, 74, 84. All right, 564. 564, go to your tens place and your hundreds place and take 100 away and you'll have 464. Go to your hundreds place and add one more 100, and you will have 664. All right, 106, 583. The Gators gotta chomp what's greatest. 106 is less than 583. Good work today. Make sure you get everything done and turned in by tomorrow evening.